Introducing the Cut Connect rigid light bar system. Here I've got 4 short sections of rigid light bar that I cut earlier with a compound miter saw. Here we've got an inline connector, 45-degree connector, 90-degree connector. We've got our terminal connector where you attach your wires using screw terminals. We've got a short cap that allows the wires to come straight out the back. We have a longer cap where the wires come out the bottom. You can put them through the cupboard and hide the wires for a hidden wire installation. This is the example of the short cap with the wires attached. Now we just simply assemble the lights together. Push them in any order. And there you have the Cut Connect rigid light bar system.